In today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on ASML holding stock. Friends, I just want to update you that this stock is currently on a verge of breakout due to multiple positive factors that trigger on the stock simultaneously. And as a result, it gives us an opportunity to go along with this stock. We can initiate and buy positions. The stock is already trading near to an important resistance level. If that level get break along with multiple positive factors that already been materialized, we could see a massive upside rally. This would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock before the big rally get started. Friends, I just want to update you that this stock has started the corrections since from July 2024. The stock has spent almost 5 months under corrections, and stock had given both the type of corrections. It was in price wise corrections, and along with price wise corrections, the stock has also faced in time wise correction too. In price wise correction, the stock got deeply downside corrections, and in time wise corrections, the stock had done the sideways consolidations where stock has made and range, it has made a strong base, and ultimately it's about to break that strong base, and that will going to initiate a big upside rally of around 9 to 10% from the current price. My dear friends, if you'll make a closer look over here, you would be able to see that this was a top where the correction started, and it went all the way down in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And and as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, you would able to notice the stock was triggered with continuously back to back lower lows. If you would see over here, the first lower lows over here, the second lower lows, third lower lows, and the fourth lower lows. And as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, the first time the lower lows shifted to higher highs, and that give us a confirmation that stock has completed the corrections. Here we got two major positive signal, and this is a point where the game started to change. The game started to came in the favor of buyer side from the correction end. If you would see, here we got the two major positive signal, and that was the downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, that was acting in strong resistance, and because of that there was a downside corrections got break. The ultimately the downside corrections faced and steep break. And secondly, the second positive factors over here is the lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we take that as a confirmation that stock has completed the corrections and it's ready for an upside move. And my dear friends, if you would see over here you will also get the third positive signals, and that is an diversion, positive diversion. If you make a closer look on the chart, you will be able to identify a positive diversion between the price action and the MACD oscillation. If you would notice over here, my dear friends, the price action lower lows shifted on the downside, it's tilt on the downside, and the same MACD oscillation, if you'll see, it's tilting on the upper side. And here we got a breakout that's going to give the upside momentum on this stock. And my dear friends, here the final this was, and here we see the final positive signal, that is a chart patterns. My dear friends, if you make a closer look over here you will be able to see the rounding chart pattern. This is a rounding chart pattern where we are able to see a complete rounding chart patterns, and this is, and my dear friends, you have to wait for a neckline to break. The stock is almost trading near to an important resistance level, which I had mentioned earlier at the beginning of my script. If you would see, the stock has formed a rounding chart pattern, and you have to wait for a closing above 730. You have to wait for a closing above this neckline. Don't blindly, my dear friends, don't blindly take positions on this stock unless it's give and closing above $730. You have to wait for an closing above this neckline. If you take an position now, it will be premature trade, and you will be, you will get trapped into a wrong side. So my dear friends, you have to wait for a confirmation close above this neckline. It's very important. You have to wait for a closing above $730. Then you will take a positions. Once the stock will give you the closing above $730, then this rounding chart pattern will be active to trade on the upper side for an upside massive rally of buy side. And soon the stock you will able to see with the target of 810 very soon. The first target will be somewhere around $810, and the second targets will be $860. And my dear friends, once the stock will give you a breakout above 730, you have to wait for a green candle close above 730, a daily close, and then you can keep the stop loss. You can keep the stop loss over here with a closing basis 695 will be your stop loss. And if you'll see, the risk to reward ratio will be also in the favor of buyer side. If you'll see, the risk will be this much and your reward will be this much, my dear friends. It's almost 1 is to 2, 1 is to 1.5 risk to reward ratio, which is a very very good bet. You can take that, but you have to wait for a closing above $730. Don't forget to take, don't don't miss out. Don't do any wrong trade. Unless if you take a trade now before the closing of 730, then there is a possibility that you will get a trap, because if the stock give you a breakdown on the downside, then you will face a good loss. So my dear friends, you have to wait for a closing above this level. Once you will get the closing above the neckline, then you will able to see the massive short covering, and that will lead to an upside rally. So my dear friends, and also I want to update you that this level will be, once this level get broken out on closing basis, this level will act as an important support level, because the multiple positive factors got trigger over here. This is an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side. This is an area where we have seen the lower lows shifted to higher highs. This is an area where we have seen the positive diversion between the price action and MACD oscillation, and this is an area where we are waiting for a confirmation of a rounding chart pattern. So once this chart pattern will get breakout with the neckline closing above 730, then this area will act as a strong support. This, until now, this area is in strong resistance, but once it will get broken out, then it will act as a strong support. This means that resistance will shift to an important support, and your stop loss should be below this important support so that it won't get easily triggered. And once if it's get triggered, then you have to sincerely close or wind up your position. And if you like my video, please give a thumbs up. Please help me with my subscriptions number get increased by sharing this video with your family, friends, relatives, whoever are interested in stock market, my dear friends. Thank you.